Hey gang, it's been quite a year, and now it's just about to be 2025. Who would have ever thought? 2025. Starting to date myself, it feels old to even say 2025. I'm sure it feels the same way to you, right?
Right.
But I am so excited that we've been able to celebrate this year, that we've survived all the challenges that have came this year. 2024 was definitely an educational year, right? We learned a lot. We met a lot of you fine folks in 2024, but I'm super excited about the future that 2025 holds. The changes that are coming, the growth in the shop, the new videos that we're going to be able to shoot, the new content we're going to be able to deliver, the more value that we're going to be able to bring. Super excited. What are you excited about? Let us know in the comments. We'll see you. Happy New Year.